last week. So
Sorry,
everyone,
to give everyone permission.
Yeah, so everyone should get an email after this with the recording so they can upload to YouTube and stuff. But anyway, sorry, Elliot.
Yeah, no problem. Just making sure that I'm sharing the correct tab. So the last one we've discussed previous week was this one. Don't create feature flag updates. So let's see, what do we have? Oh, not that much we have on the table. So the first one is don't create feature flag update audit events when there is no change. So anything anyone would like to?
I don't know anything about that one.
Yeah, actually we have like these two which are very connected. I believe they should share the same. No.
Yeah, I know about one though. I can talk to this one.
I know about. But...
Yeah.
Oh, you go.
Sorry, go on.
Yeah, at least I think I do.
Yeah. Come on. Sorry. MacBook gestures. I'm still getting used to them. About not scrolling forward. Yeah, here we go. And this one.
We've rolled out the missing. Yeah, we'll raise an error if audit events are called that we don't have audit event types for. We've been Zaf has been tracking the errors for a while, and we didn't see any more. So now we've turned this on, and we also have a pre-flight check with left hook that'll check for the docs and everything. So that's in conjunction with those. I think those two things should keep everything YAMLized for audit events.
Yeah, let's hope so that everything will work as expected. So the next one is add check quite for fewer than 2 approvals. That's actually nice. I just read the description thinking, oh, that makes sense. Any one involved? I don't know who was verifying it. It was Jay. Okay. So this is whenever the merge request approval setting is updated, is that sum of approvals required is at least 2. So
I think this is the final check for the adherence report. So this is the final for the MVC. So the big step for that.
Yeah, so this is a backend one, so it should complain. Just curious if it is complain it on front end. Just curious, like, let's see. It says that you can validate using the dashboard. So it is just changing the state from fail to success. So yeah, the front end is here also. When your meeting is run by front-end persons, this is the thing which I'm always curious. Okay, so the next one is yours. The last two is yours. Add an automated test to prevent something. I don't know.
Yeah, so we had a instance where last week where the compliance framework, there was a bug where a value wasn't being evaluated as a Boolean properly. And so it allowed the functionality to edit compliance frameworks at the sub-project, subgroup level. So I added in some functionality last week to ensure that it's a Boolean. And this was just adding in a test to ensure that it will never be a non-Boolean. So it's just a spec change there.
Yeah. And the last but not least is streamed
so
audit.
I found a bug in the audit event filtering where when you select all of the start selecting the event types, you can't unselect them. This I discussed it with Lorenz, and it's a bug in the GitLab UI. So we've closed this and opened up a new issue in the GitLab UI project.
I see. Okay. I believe this is all we have for the closed issues. And let's go through the milestone. Oh, sorry, 1 second, scrolling. Yeah, let's see. Let's go for the planning issue. Let me share it. Yeah, I'm still missing. Like I've complained to you, Nate. I'm still missing being the part of compliance and yeah, being involved in the compliance, and this one. Sorry, this is it's a draft planning. I believe this should be, yeah.
Yeah, so we're just going through this and just explaining where we've got to on each of the items. So we just go through the plan, how we're going towards the goal, which is that far column.
Yeah, but I believe it's a bit it is the wrong one because we already I just link it the wrong one because we already have the actual planning issue. This one should be the relevant one on the screen.
Sorry.
No, it's just I'm thinking, yeah.
Yeah.
If I'm this is our priority list, planning. So anything to mention and discuss here? We should. Oh, it is, and I'm wrong again. I believe it's 16.4 planning for compliance. This one, sorry. Yeah.
So there's still 16.3 for this one.
Yeah, until Thursday, I guess.
Yeah,
until
Thursday.
I thought that we so we are just because this is my first time, maybe I'm missing something. Should we go through current issues on the planning board? Yeah, this one.
Yeah, just go through this
and
just ask the DRI how they're going against that goal for the
so let's find the first responsible. This one we just discussed.
Yes, so as mentioned last week, the name field has been added and the filtering by project API has an implementation plan in the first MR up, but the API won't be released in this milestone and will slip over, but I think we can do both to finish the API and the UI next milestone.
Yeah. Sam, any to add on your compliance violation export?
Yes, the export was in DB review, and I did a few iterations with the maintainers. Currently, it's on the back burner because it's no longer prioritized. I agreed with Nate, we're going to move it to 16.4. So it won't be shipped this release. The SAML SSO auth for merge requests, I've opened a few issues for the planning. So the plan has been written out, so to say, and in the next milestone, we can start tackling those issues.
Yeah. Okay. So
yeah.
This is it for everyone. We have the content we have on board now. Yeah. So like what we do next is talk about release post blockers. It is a final weekly of the milestone, and I believe it is. So let's see what we have of the merge. So Nate, could you give me a hand here, because
yeah, sure.
Are we aware about any blockers? Because this is a part I'm totally out of context here.
Let's just go through them one by one quickly, and I can give an update. The Snowflake one we have pushed out and are waiting for more information from them. The default protected branches, that's for 16.4. Instance level streaming ordered event filters, yes, that has been finished and should be released. The export
On
compliance
hold.
violations filters, yeah, Sam.
Yeah, that one needs to be held for next milestone at least.
So should we mark it as, should we take any actions? I don't know, mark it as draft.
I think just push the milestone out on it to 16.4.
Yeah, okay, let's do that. Okay, thank you. So let's refresh it. Yeah. Release post for renaming compliance reports to the compliance center.
It's all ready to go.
Yeah, one name, like one line change, but making me making so prouder. It sounds so better.
Yeah, it's a big change for the compliance group to change from just reporting to management, and as we move more into
the message we are sending to the world.
Yes, yeah.
Audit events for feature flags.
I think that's been pushed to the backlog, so that will not be anytime soon.
Yeah. So it says it does not even have a milestone. Yeah, and event type information for streaming audit events.
I think this is all of us closing that epic for all of the audit event information and the that feature flag that we just discussed that Huzafer is turned on.
Yeah, let me check. So it is still there are some, at least this one issue opened and this is it is not yet delivered, right?
Yeah, that's right.
So probably and there are a bunch of stuff there, so probably this will not work to make it to the 16.3.
Yeah, I'd say let's push it out to 16.4 then, and we can review it again next milestone.
Okay, great. So the next part of our flow is design QA update. Sorry, just OKRs.
We can skip
OKRs.
Design a QA update.
Yeah. So
we did skip.
We have. Yeah, sorry.
Just noticed the order.
Yeah.
Sorry.
And the OKRs for Q3. Anything we would like to take a look and discuss?
The one that's on me, I think that's which one does that belong to?
But right now all of them are assigned to Nate, so
yeah. I have one of the sub on my name.
If you go to that one, if you go to that second one, Ilya.
Yeah, what's this one? Yeah,
is it that one?
I think so.
ClickHouse MVC. Yeah, you are one of the GRIs here.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, that's the one I was. I can give some update on. We have currently 2 events of the 30 we want to add are in MR state. And if anyone, this is for people watching the recording afterwards, if anyone has new MRs that add audit events, please ping me on them so I can track them within the key result there.
Yeah. So
I'll try to monitor them as well, but it's probably easier if I get pinged on them as well.
Yeah. not touching this progress yet. It's just or let's update it just like to 95% for visibility.
I think it's done through the. If you scroll down, you can go to the key result.
Yeah, I have the.
Oh.
Yeah, I have
Yeah.
the key results there. Yeah.
So
I still need to update that one as soon as it's merged. I'll update the percentage on there.
Okay.
I think the one on
so
does that scale with the sub?
I don't know.
Or does that still
to be honest,
manual process?
Let's test it. Go into it.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can change that one to like.
Could I do that? No. Let's put
change it to
something
6%, yeah, or 5%.
Yeah. Let's do it 5.
6 would be accurate if the.
Okay, as you wish.
Yeah.
Yeah, and let's see. Oh, great! It's working.
It does. Yeah, nice.
Nice.
Yeah. But we have so many stuff that nobody knows how it works. Holy.
You can't know
anything?
all those 100,000s of lines of code by heart.
And that's great. Usually at that point I'm joking. I'm just a front-end engineer.
Just a front-end engineer.
Yeah.
There's only 5 lines of front-end code, no problem.
Yeah. So any other stuff we would like to take a closer look?
No, not at this stage from me.
Yeah.
I think that's good.
Okay.
On that front, at least for everyone that's here. Yeah.
Yeah. Next step. Oh, how I missed the second screen, which is not available, not to stop between sharing and not sharing to make sure I'm safely could look into the document. And yeah, Nate, would you like to voice the stuff you've written?
Yeah, just wanted to reiterate that it's almost the end of the milestone. So final emails to be merged by Thursday, I think. So if you've got anything outstanding, please, reach out to anyone else in the group to get them pushed through. And the retro issue is up as well. So please start adding your thoughts in there if you've got any.
Yeah, and thank you for reminders that it would be great to have in retro how did the hackathon go, which I shamelessly missed. Yeah. Okay, so let's stop the recording as it is written here. So let's wait for someone who is looking at the recording.